Today we'll see how to solve this logarithm expression. Given question is log x with base 4 whole power 2, that is equal to log x with base 2 times log x with base a. Our goal is to find a value here. For that, let's observe the left hand side term. We have log x with base 4. In the right hand side we have base 2. Suppose if you convert this 4 in terms of 2, that may be cancel the terms on both sides. That's why I'm trying to convert this base 4 as 2 power 2. So I'm going to write this base 4 as 2 power 2. X power 1 is nothing but x only. Instead of x, I'm going to write x raised to the power of 1. Why? Because it is in the form of log of a power m with base b power n. According to our logarithm property, we can write this as m over n log a with base b. So I'm using this property here. The x exponent is 1, so this is the a exponent m, but here our x exponent is 1 over, and the base exponent is 2 times log x with base 2, and left hand side we have a whole power 2, so that's why I'm going to take whole power 2. A power 2, we can write this as a times a, isn't it? So similarly, this term we can write it as 2 times. 1 over 2 log x with base 2 times 1 over 2 log x with base 2. The left hand side, after doing some simplification, we got this. Let's take this. This is only left hand side part. Now we need to take right hand side. What we have? We have log x with base 2 times log x with base a. And observe here we have log x with base 2 and here we have log x with base 2. So divide both sides by log x with base 2. So then we can cancel it. So the left hand side will left 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which gives 1 over 4 log x with base 2. That is equal to, the right hand side will left only one single term, that is log x with base a. Now here use one more logarithm property, that is log a with base b. We can write this as 1 over log b with base a. So use that property here. So according to that property, the left hand part it become into 1 over log 2 with base x. Similarly, the right hand side also it turns into 1 over log a with base x. Now here we have a 4 at the denominator. If you multiply both sides by 4, then we get cancel here. We got only 1 over log 2 with base x, that is equal to 4 over log a with base x. Left hand side we have a logarithm term and right hand side also logarithm term. Let's make it in one side, then we can easy to solve. So that's why both side again I am multiplying by log a with base x. Then after cancelling here and here, we got only log a with base x. Denominator we have over log 2 with base x, that is equal to 4. Now observe only left hand side part. So it is in the form of log a with the same base over log b with the same base. If we have a same base, we can, according to the logarithm property, we can write this as log a base b. So use that property here. We can write this as log a with base 2, that is equal to 4. Now apply one more logarithm property, that is log of a with base b, that is equal to n. This we can write it as a equal to b power n. Similarly, so our a equal to the base b whole power n. Similarly, our base is 2, so that is 2 power 4. This is the a value. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So this is the a value. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.